Before you do anything, listen to what I'm about to say. Binary options are a scam. YouTubers say it's the new way to get rich quick, but they've got a dark side and they will not make you money over the long run. I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you some of the dark parts of binary options, and I'm going to help you make money. Enjoy the video. So what is a binary op? Binary option is the right to make money on an option's price movement, saying if it finishes at the price that you buy the binary option, then you will make money. If it's above it, if it's below it, you're going to lose money. Now, let's get right into a normal option. Now, these are the long-term options. You'll see them traded on Tesla and other companies. The max loss is 100% at expiration. However, the max profit on a long call option is infinite, and the chance payoff is based on the delta. So take this Target Hospitality Corporation call option dated for July 19th. Now, we're going to say it's about, my personal opinion, it's about a 50% chance that it finishes at 11 or above. So the likelihood that we make money on it is pretty likely, like into February, there's a 50% chance that we make 30. So inherently, there's a pretty high chance that we make money. The only way we lose money on call options is if it finishes below the strike or the break even. Now you can see this little triangle in here, and that's actually a chance to sell the option for less loss than 100%. That's something that these binary options aren't going to give you. Also, there's limited upside with 100% downside, whereas long call options have infinite max profit, which is something that's really important for tail events. I downloaded NatX. It's the brokerage that does binary options. There's some other ones. I'm not going to show them to you because it's a scam. Please don't do binary trading. So this was the US 500, which is an index, and we were going to buy a $12 binary call option saying that we think the index is going to rise to $4,820. It was currently at $4,805. Now there's only 6% chance that this finishes in the money. We'll lose $22 if it finishes below $4,820, and we'll make $88 if it finishes above. Now that seems like a good return on investment because it even says it's a 700% return on investment, right? Well, actually that's part of the scam that these companies aren't telling you. The max loss is plus 100% actually, because you pay 12 and you actually lose 22, and the max profit is 88 with only a 6% payoff. Now in statistics and financial math, there's actually a way to model this. It's called an option pricing model. So we give it a 6% chance that we make $88, which is worth about $528, and the percent loss is 94% loss of $22. Now, if we take the percent chances of these happening and add them together, which is option pricing, we get a net value of negative $15 per $12 option. What that means is if you buy $1,000 worth of these binary options, over the long term, you're actually going to lose about $1,500 or 50% more than what you even put in the first place. These options, they're essentially a scam. They're a way for the brokerages to make money, and even selling the option isn't good value because the brokerages still make money on it. It's not accounting for tail events, and the max loss is still really high because if you were to sell one of those options, it's not allowing you to sell them for the amount of money that it should be worth. So that's the summary. Just don't buy binary options. Please stay away. Long-term call options are the way to go if you do want to bet on the direction of a stock. You can buy put options too. I've got other videos on my channel. Go check those out. Thanks for watching.